So what we're going to be making is this PVC wetsuit washer. So when you're done your surf sesh, instead of hand washing it, you can just put it on this, hook it up to a hose, and it'll wash it for you.
So here are the parts you're going to need for this. All of this is 1 inch, and I'll put all these parts in the description, but just to run you through it, there's 2 caps, a valve, 445s, 2 90s. This is a hose to 1/2 inch PVC that goes into this, which is 1/2 inch to 1 inch threaded. And then you need a T and then a 4-piece, along with a drill and a PVC cutter and a big long piece of 1 inch PVC. You can use 1/2 inch PVC for this, but then you're gonna need to just like pretty much just all these parts are gonna be in 1/2 inch instead. Also, you don't need a PVC cutter. You can use like a hacksaw or a chop saw if you have to. It's just these make it way easy. You can just like put them on and chop it and it's done. All right, so what you want to start out doing is take your big PVC and you want to cut 7 2-inch little PVC things. They don't have to be exact. It's just to like connect all of these tiny parts together. After that, you want to cut 4 12-inch pieces and 1 18.25-inch piece. These pieces are going to resemble the 2 arms of the hanger that wash the outside and then the 3 inside parts. And then what you're going to do is you want to take your drill. I'm using a 1/8 inch drill bit. You can use something a little smaller that'll just make the water pressure a little more. And pretty much how I drilled these holes is I did 2 lines of 4 holes with about 1 inch in the middle of them. That way when it's shooting out, it'll shoot out at like an angle so it can wash most of the wetsuit. And for the bottom piece, I pretty much did the same thing here, but I used about 12 holes in the bottom with 1 inch in the middle. And then I also put a line on the side and the top. That way the water will shoot out every direction. And then all you want to do is pretty much just take all your parts and assemble them.
Starts freaking out the neighborhood. Really, I'm fine. Never been better. Got no job on the line. Sincerely, don't worry. Same old boy that you hoped you would find. And I know it's no fun when your first son gets up to no good, starts freaking out the